Baby take a bathtub. For orders please check video description. This is a baby bathtub. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 72% discount. Actual price $104 US. After 72% discount, just $28 US. Baby bathtub. Real time temperature silicone. Baby take a bathtub, non-slip, foot bath, bucket folding bathroom with temperature sensing. 400 plus sold already. Okay, now I share with you some picture about this product. This one is another one, and 24.5 inches and 8.6 inches and 17.7 inches temperature. And this one is wow. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much for watching this video. Some different color. Okay, this one is another color, this one is blue. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description.